Good day everyone. We are the Group 5. We are here to present our project output 1, the LED bar light. Here are the parts required in building this product. Arduino board, breadboard, jumper wires, 8 LEDs, 8 220 ohm resistors. And this is how it works. An LED emits light when a small current is passed through it. LEDs are polarized, which means one side is positive and one side is negative. This is because the LED will work only with current flowing in one direction, from positive to negative. The longer leg of the LED is positive and must connect to a positive power connection. The Arduino sketch controls the sequence of flashes. LEDs are delicate parts requiring only a small amount of voltage to light up. To prevent the LEDs from being overloaded with voltage and burning out, we use resistors, which limit the amount of voltage passing through them to the LED on the other end. You can change the color of your LEDs and use this light bar to decorate a car, scooter, bike, picture frame, subwoofer, or almost anything else you choose. The build insert the LEDs into the breadboard with their shorter, negative legs in the GND rail at the top of your breadboard. Then connect this rail to GND on the Arduino. Connect the LEDs in sequence to Arduino digital pins 2 to 9. Place a 220 ohm resistor between each LED and digital pin, ensuring that the resistors bridge the center divide in the breadboard. Thank you. The setup part of the sketch, let us select the pins 2 to 9 for this project. The void defines the function to turn off all the LEDs in the same time. On the other hand, the loop part makes the LEDs light up in sequence from left to right or from the digital pin 2 to 9 and repeat it in a loop. The for part gives us the accessibility to put on the delay for our LEDs for it to light up.